candy thing, feeling like Goldie. Just a couple of wines, no cuts, drinking 40. Shout out to the homies, can't fuck with the focus. Up on road, blowing good, fucking with young Smokey. And the homie D. Daver, he picked me up in the scraper. It was back to the bitch, cause it's back to the paper. So my bitch, I don't need it, we can talk about it later. Don't